Okay, so number 4, we have here the total aerodynamics force F acting the airplane has a magnitude of 6 to 15 Newton. You're asked to resolve the force into vertical and horizontal component called the lift and the drag. Okay, so ang drag, no, kumaga amo ning ang kapugong blah na punggan sa hangin, we call that the drag. So ang direksyon niya is pasalubong, no, sa eroplano. Okay? Ang lift naman amo ning gaduso sa eroplano pababaw. Okay? So ang F ta amo ning aton nga resultant sang lift kag drag. Okay? Ang iya angle is 6 degrees with respect to the vertical. Kung duringon ta itong triangle, no, amo ning drag ta going to the right. Ang lift ta naman going pababaw. Kag amo ning aton nga resultant. Okay, so yun pa mangkot na ito, no? Pila ni ang drag kag ang aton nga lift. Diba? So 6 degrees again, amo na ang angle sa aton nga resultant with respect to the vertical. So duringon ta ang aton nga triangle. That is for the lift. This is for the drag. Kag amo ni aton nga resultant. That is 6 to 50 Newton. Din ang aton nga angle. So ang angle is between sa black kag sa yellow, no, or between sa resultant kag sa lift mo, no, so ara. So that is your 6 degrees. Okay? So makita ta right triangle, no? So right triangle, okay? This is vertical kag horizontal, so ara din aton nga 90 degrees. Okay? So for D, opposite over hypotenuse. No, so you have sine 6 degrees equals D over 6 to 50. Or cross multiply, D is only 6 to 50 sine 6 degrees. No, so D is equal to 653 Newton using your calculator. Now for L or lift, that is only cosine, no, adjacent kag hypotenuse. Okay? So cosine 6 degrees is equal to L over 6 to 50. Again, cross multiply, so L equals 6 to 50 cosine 6 degrees, or L equals 6 to 15.76 Newton. So answer ni, no? Answer man eh. Okay? Number 5. We have here the velocity vector of the boat has two components, v sub 1, which is the velocity of the water, and v sub 2 is the velocity of the boat relative to the water. If v sub 1 v sub 1 is 3 kilometers per hour and v sub 2 is 5 kilometers per hour, determine the velocity vector of the boat. Okay? Ang aton nga boat, no? Or sorry, ang angle sa aton nga between sa v sub 1 kag v sub 2 is 40 degrees. Okay? So ang v sub 1 ta purely horizontal ni, no? Ang v sub 2 ta is kapaslant 40 degrees with respect to the v sub 1 or yung mga horizontal. So this is the given. V sub 1, V sub 2 required is resultant, which means kailangan natin magnitude kag direction. Okay, so unahon tang aton nga V sub 1. Okay? So we have here 3 kilometers per hour. Ara. Sugbon naton nga V sub 2, that is 5 kilometers per hour. Tapos amo din aton nga resultant. Okay? Okay. So ang angle between sa aton nga V sub 1 kag V sub 2 is 40 degrees. So ari din aton nga 40 degrees. Ara siya. Okay. This one, again, straight line eh, no? So 180 minus 40. So that is 140 degrees. No? Actually, masolve na ang aton nga R using our cosine law. No? Kaya ang given, two sides kagang included nga angle nga 140 degrees. So masolve ta ng R. Okay? So ang formula ta for cosine law, that is only R squared, no? Is equal to, or the square of the one side is equal to the square or the sum of the square of other two sides minus twice the product of the two sides and the included angle, which is 140. So you have R squared equals 3 squared plus 5 squared minus 2 times 3 times 5 cosine 140. Using your calculator, no? R is equal to square root of 56.98, or that is equal to 7.55 kilometers per hour. Okay. Next. Kailangan natin na ma-solve ang iyang direction. Okay, let's say we're going to label this as theta. Okay? So, anong tawag niya? Umunang direction ta with respect to the horizontal. Kaya horizontal man yung aton nga v sub 1. Okay? So, for theta, since na-solve na ng r ta, no, 7.55, ma-solve na ng aton nga theta using sine law. Okay? So, we have here 5. Opposite angle niya is sine theta is equal to 7.55. Opposite angle niya is 140. Okay? Cross multiply. Now, solving for theta, that is 25.19 degrees. Okay? So, ang sabata is, the resultant is equal to 7.55 kilometers per hour. No? Then, the direction is 25.19 degrees with respect to the horizontal. Okay? So, muna yung sabat. 2. Okay, so we have problem number 6. We have two tugboats apply the forces P and Q to the barge. No? So, muna natin yung barge. Okay? We have here tugboats. So, muna P kag Q. So, these are two tugboats. No? Where P equals 76 kilonewton and Q equals 56 kilonewton. No? You're asked to determine the resultant of P and Q. Usually, no, mga tugboats yan eh. No? Ang muna siya actually yung gabutong sa mga daragko, no? Ang mga barko, wherein ang nabaw, no? Ang tubig sa dagat. No? So, hindi kan darang barko, no? Possible kasi magbunggo ang iyang propeller or anything, no? So instead ginabutong ni siya, no, sang mga tugboats. Okay, so given, no, we have here P equals 76 kilonewton, okay, Q equals 52 kilonewton, no? Then you're asked to find the resultant, which means you're going to solve for the magnitude and direction. Okay, first, no, you have to solve for this angle, no, theta kagang alpha. Okay, walang taon ta, no, ang theta ta mo na yung aton nga triangle. Okay, kung 6 meters isa sa dalom 60, kung 16 meters isa sa dalom 16 man eh, diba? So if we're going to solve for your theta, that is only tangent theta equals opposite over adjacent. Ang adjacent is 16. So we have tangent theta equals 32 over 16. Now solving for theta, no? Arctangent 32 over 16. So we have here 63.43 degrees. 43 degrees, no? So mo ni aton nga angle sa aton nga P. Okay? Now solving for alpha, alpha equals 12 opposite over 24. Pareho lang na din ating distance. Diba? Okay, so 12 over 24. So ang ating alpha is equal to arctangent 12 over 24, or ang alpha ta is 26.57 degrees. No? Kailangan na masolve na yung ating angles. No? Para mag-plus start na karon or mag-connect sa ating vectors, tapos na lang. Okay? Okay, next slide. Hari na. Okay. So naon ang aton niya Q. Okay, so ang direksyon sang Q ta kay gina sa ginsolta, no? That is 26.57 with respect to the horizontal. Okay? So ara. Next, ang pita naman, that is 63.43 degrees with that respect to the horizontal, pero yung direction ta pababaw, no? So ari aton nga 63.43 degrees. Okay, so muna 63.43. Then from the origin hasta sa pinakapunta sang P, amo na ang aton nga resultant. Now we're going to call that R. Okay? So next, dapat mabalaan ta, no? Ang angle sa sulod ni sa triangle, no? Between sa line nga blue kag violet. So ari. Dapat mabalaan ta na, no? So we're going to call that beta. Okay? Kung makita nyo, no, sa aton nga figure, no, maniyamba ko dapat unahon ta ng figure, no, or drawing. Kay kung why ka drawing, hindi mo ma-solve ang isa ka problem. No, mostly, hindi mo ma-solve ang isa ka problem. Okay. So, anong taon ta? This is 26.57 degrees. No? Opposite angle, no? So, both silingon ang gamay ni. This is also 26.57 degrees. Okay? So, ara. 26.57 degrees man eh. Okay. So, makita nyo ng beta, no? So, ang beta is only 63.43 buwinan sa gamay nga 26.57. So, ara. So, we have 63.43 minus 26.57. So, we have 36.86. So, may rin natin yung angle. So, this is 36.86. So, masolve na, no? Ang aton nga R using cosine law, no? Kaya ang aton nga data is already two sides, no? Duwa ka sides and the included angle, no? Using your cosine law, we have R squared is equal to 52 squared plus 76 squared minus 2 times 52 times 76 cosine of the included angle, cosine 36.86 degrees. Okay, so ara. Now solving for R using your calculator. So we have R is 46.43 kilonewton. Okay, so may ara ito sa magnitude. Ang kulang ta na lang ang direksyon. Okay na? So, for the direction, okay? First, dapat mabalaan ta ng angle nga ni, no, dako nga ni. So we're going to call that mu. Okay? Using your sine law. So we have this side over the opposite angle, amo na yung mga mu, no, mo na yung napahita ta, no? Is equal to this side, yun solve ta ni, over your opposite angle, which is beta, 36.86. Okay? So you have 76 over sine mu equals 46.43 over sine 36.86. Cross multiplying, you solve for mu. So mu, using your calculator, is equal to 79.08 degrees. Okay? Pero paminsaron ta ang mu, no? Kumbaga kung ni-drawing on ta sa arisaw. Amuning bilog ang mu. Ang kinahanglan ta lang ari with respect to the horizontal. So we're going to call this phi, arayo. Phi. Okay? Kung makita ta sa may figure, no? Ang aton niya phi is only equal to mu minus sa angle nga ni 26.57 degrees. Ara. Okay na? So ang theta or ang angle ta or ang direction sa aton nga resultant is 52.1 degrees. Now, kung sabton ta na, no? So this should be your final answer. Okay? So your final answer should be Resultant is equal to 46.43 kilonewton. Naman isang imong magnitude acting at 52.51 degrees with respect to the horizontal. Kaysa horizontal mo ginkuha no ang imo nga phi, diba?